In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have the IDM download helper installed and ready to use in your browser. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're actually in Chrome, since extensions from the Chrome Web Store are designed to work there. With Chrome open, head to the address bar at the top, type Chrome Web Store, and press Enter. We're using Google to navigate to the official catalog of Chrome extensions. From the search results, click the Chrome Web Store link. You'll know you're in the right place when the page has the familiar Chrome branding, and the address is the official Chrome Web Store domain. Once the store loads, look for the search box on the page, usually in the upper left area, and type IDM, then press Enter. IDM stands for Internet Download Manager, and this will bring up extensions related to download management. In the results, find and click the listing called IDM, Download Manager Extension. This opens the extension's details page. Take a brief moment to confirm you're choosing the correct item. Check the exact name, glance at the number of users and recent reviews, and read a short description. These quick checks help you avoid look-alike extensions and ensure you're installing something that's maintained and trusted. On the Details page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will show a small confirmation dialog that lists the permissions the extension needs. This is normal for download managers, which often require access to monitor and manage files you download. Read through the permissions so you understand what you're allowing. To proceed, click Add Extension in the confirmation dialog. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically, and you should see a brief notification when it's done. An icon may appear to the right of your address bar. If you don't see it, open the Extensions menu using the puzzle piece icon to find IDM there, and you can pin it so it stays visible. That's all there is to it. You've added the IDM extension to Google Chrome. From now on, when you browse sites with downloadable media, the extension can help detect files and streamline your downloads. If you don't see it working immediately, refresh the page you're on, or close and reopen Chrome to initialize the extension. Keeping Chrome and your extensions updated will also help with performance and security. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.